how to deploy on Emergent AI. Sign into your account, and then if you scroll down, you should see your current apps. So select whichever app you want to deploy. Now open up the app itself, and here in the top right corner you should see a button that says deploy. For me currently it's going to be redeploy, but I will just click on deploy here. Imagine that this is going to be the deploy button, so click on it and you will just click on deploy. Once you begin deploying, this is going to create a temporary URL for your application, web app, or website, and you can access it immediately. So I'm just going to pause and come back once this completes. Usually it should take 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, because it's going to be a sort of long process. So I'll come back once this has deployed. Okay, so that was fairly quick. 2 minutes later, you have your website or web app active. If you have successfully deployed it, it should say live here, and you can visit it by clicking on the button, or you can also add your own custom domain here by following different guides. I have a tutorial on how you can add a custom domain to your Emergent AI website as well. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.